I'm getting used to Coney. I like Coney.
The machine pistol's the best. Oh,
Coney Crawford.
did you see the IMCCIV's new vid?
The one that you posted on the Discord?
No, there's that on Discord and
Oh yeah? That's right.
what it was about then?
I literally forgot. I watched it like yesterday.
It wasn't
But-
yesterday.
Oh, I don't know what I
Did you
watched.
check his
it.
YouTube channel today?
Yeah, the I am CCD Gaming. Ooh,
No, like I mean right now.
right
Oh my
now?
God,
No, I didn't
you
check it.
haven't.
I didn't check it right now. Why?
Who's asking? Got one.
Finally, I found a shotgun. I need the machine. I got the machine pistol.
Lucky.
Oh,
You have ammo for it?
oh yeah. Wait, I'm.
It's ready.
Green happy shotgun. I've got a blue one. I don't need it. Oh, a green machine gun. Jeez. Well, a pistol. This machine gun, the green machine pistol, reminds me of the Uzi. The Uzi from like PUBG and stuff like that. When I used to play with NATO.
This guy's on. This gun's good.
What the?
Nothing.
What the heck? My man finished me.
Cause this guy. No, he was trapping me. Killed me. I got killed me.
Could be right over there. Could be right here.
This guy killing me. Don't let me take my red. No, heal.
I hit him a little bit. Oh, I've got no mats. I've got no mats. Yeah. Take it. Just kill him and then give it back. Kill him and then give it back. Kill them and then give it back. Oh my god, why is that thing so over? Right? Oh my.
Spray.
Crack one. Oh, they're in different teams too. I hit him for like a lot. Got no mats. My guy, let's go. You have some heal. He has some minis. Give me these minis.
Oh, cool.
Can I have my epic MK back?
Yeah. Can I have my loot back?
Yeah. Okay. How did? Oh, he dropped all of his loot. Oh, I will take that broken. So with epic MK. Oh, thanks.
Why is there so many people trying to kill us?
Oh my god, bro! I only have a bit of map. Oh my god, you. Oh, let's go! What is that? I want to. No, give me that. I crashed him.
I killed him. Let me just heal up because if another guy comes, we're dead.
You called it! You called it, bro!
I have
You're gonna finish me!
I'll get the gun later for you. I just can't die right now. I'm gonna die.
A shield kit! Right here next to these mats.
I'm trying to run.
Nope, not there. Spider-Man.
I told you,
A shield.
everyone's just gonna come out of nowhere and kill us. They want the machine pistol. I'm sorry, Damien. I'll get you soon.
Oh, they found me.
How many are there?
There's two. And you might not want to go there because they seem to build pretty fast. And they shreds.
Got one?
got one, you got one, you got one. You can have my epic MK from saving me.
I haven't even saved anything yet.
I know, but like if you kill them both, you can have my epic MK. Oh my god, that's the people who are bouncing me. That's why they sounded so fast. Look, if you look at the threat, it's 3. And it's the only guy
Got
next
it.
to me. Oh, he added my epic MK. Blue heavy. Can you
Make Klombo carry
Oh, I cracked one, cracked one. One is on the top. One was on the top of Klombo.
That's scary. That's terrifying today.
Oh, that's scary.
Run, Damien, run. Run, Klombo.
Ow! Bold is my nickname.
Ah, he's coming. Feed him, feed him, feed him.
I'll give him some minis. Take the minis, bro. Oh, he was looking. What the?
Oh, no.
Oh, he. Oh. I Klombo.
Llama.
Where? I could deal with some ammo right now. Because I'm getting kind of ready. They're following us, so we can, yeah. Yep, there's one right on the side. I hit him. He's about to kill me.
Got him. Pull up.
Let's go.
Pull up.
Yeah,
Pull
nice,
up.
Spider-Man.
Pull up.
Shotgun. A shield tag. We need a shield tag.
Llama right to her left. After this.
I need the go-go juice.
There's a shield tag.
Oh no, there's like a billion shield kegs there.
Don't pick it. They're fighting.
Okay. This poor man is so full. This is like torture here. No.
He's so close to us. Why is he not angry?
Probably gave him something. There's a crown.
Go
There's a crown.
that way. Let's go for the guy. Let's go this way. Shoot Klombo when you're done. Go back.
Now go towards the people.
Oh my god.
One on me.
Come back. Oh, he's scary.
Oh, right there. He's gonna get the supply drop.
Follow me.
Can I just leave with my Spider-Man? Or should I? Can I get the crown?
Yeah. Follow me.
Oh, Klombo.
Okay, follow me.
Should I shoot him?
No,
Should
not
I
if
shoot
you're
him?
very far.
How many mats do
Let's
you
go
have? I
behind
have
this guy's
max
base.
bricks.
Go behind his
I
base.
have max
Okay,
bricks.
now shoot Klombo. Okay, hi.
Oh, he lasered me. He lasered me. He's going. He's a beast. Klombo is our savior.
Shoot Klombo again.
Let's
Shoot
go, Klombo.
Shoot Klombo.
He's mad enough.
Get my attention. Come over here and wreck these guys. Oh my god.
Oh, he's throwing acid at the people at the top. I see him.
I see.
Oh. They're so lucky they have the high ground.
Coming back. Oh, we're gonna get.
Oh my god, you saw that? That guy gave me a haircut.
peek it. Don't peek it. Don't peek it. Don't peek it.
Okay, I'm not peeping it. I can see.
Spraying acid at him. Drop down, baby. Drop down. Drop down.
Go, Klombo! Oh.
Drop down. Drop down. Drop down. Drop down.
Those armored walls just came in clutch. I lasered some dude. Oh my god, no, stop it. Please stop. Don't kill me. Help me.
Can't you go to walk?
I didn't have any mats.
You don't have mats still?
Oh, it's the last two teams.
I know. Get up.
Get him in. Help. Help me. Hey. Klombo, please don't interrupt us. Okay, Klombo, you're going for them. Good job. No.
Sorry, Dave.
Get the crown for me. Get the crown for me. For me. You got this.
Klombo's killing everybody.
Columbo's the thief. Columbo killed somebody. The storm doing by 10. I went 20s? You never did the storm to do by 20s?
You never knew that? Why Klombo's running my team? I'm sorry to see you earlier. Right there, right there.
Oh my god, that was scary. The way he looked at you.
I know.
I'm pretty dumb. You shouldn't even look. Stop some armored walls? That's what I do. I just go in for the push. Then I die most of the time. And you're winning. Wait, he had a mythic. You missed the mythical gunner. No, the mythical SMG, dummy. You're gonna...
What? Oh.
What the heck? You missed the mythical SMG. He's like right
How did he
there.
die? Freaking
He died.
Klombo killing?
No, you didn't see?